Charge up to 3 USB devices at once. Includes 2 X-USB ports to charge all our USB-powered devices, 17W total. The USB-C port provides fast charging for supported iPhone and Android models, 18W. Utilize all 3 ports simultaneously without compromising the USB-C port's 18W speed. The X3PD packs all of these features into one slim, compact design. USB-C output, 18W, 5V, 2.4A, 9V, 2A, 12V, 1.5A. 2x USB-A output, 17W max, 5V 3.4A total. Total watts, 35W. Fast charge iPhone 14 14 Pro, 13 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 mini, 12 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, by 8 8 Plus. Compatible devices. All smartphones, Airpods, Earbuds. Top reviews from the United States. Perfectly convenient. Works great for what I need. I'm able to charge my phone, my iPod and tablet. I'm a woman on the go and I need the convenience. Perfect for when I have my grandkids. There is not a complaint of sharing one charging port. Works as advertised. Holds up well, delivers a charge as advertised. Helps that it has a Type-C slot, so definitely a plus.